So in today's video, here is a nice problem. So how to prove this one is a rational number? Okay, so let's go through this one to see the proof how this one goes. So this one, so we're saying, so I'm going to prove this one by the way of contradiction. So by the way of contradiction, suppose this number 19 is a rational number, which is going to be written on the form, of A over B. Okay, where is the GCD of A and B equals 1. So which means the fraction A over B will be reduced to the lowest fraction possible in order to have B not divides A. Okay, as a fraction, GCD of AB equals 1. The other words, A and B are comprimed. Okay, but A and B must be a natural number. Okay, so now where is A and B as a natural number? So we are going, so let's multiply side by side. I get here B equals square root of 19 is multiplied by A. Let's square both sides. I get B square equals 19 is multiplied by A square. Okay, let's go through two cases. Case number one, if B is a even, which means A must be even as well. So that means GCD of these two terms, A and B, must be superior to 2, not equals 1. Because if both are even, they are going to share number 2 as a divisor. Okay, so it's a contradiction. It's impossible. Why is impossible? Because we have contradicted the GCD. GCD of this one must be equals 1, but we found GCD of these integers must be superior to 2, which is impossible. Let's go through case number 2. If B is odd, which means A must be odd as well, because 19 is odd. If A is odd is multiplied by odd is giving us odd, which means the left hand side of this equation must be odd as well. So let's set A equals 2n minus number 1 and B equals 2m minus number 1. So you can put it on the form 2n minus 1 or 2n plus number 1. Both, either case works here. Okay, so let's split these two terms into terms. Let's put this one on the form B square equals 19A square. Let's split this one into two terms. I get A square plus 18A square. Let's take A square to the left. I get B square minus A square equals 18A square. Okay, let's put this one on the form of the product. Since I have a difference of squares, I get B minus A factor B plus A. So let's replace B with its value. I get 2m minus number 1, and A will be replaced with this value as well. I get minus 2n plus number 1 is factor B, which is replaced with 2m minus number 1 plus A plus 2n minus number 1. Okay, so the entire thing equals 18. A will be replaced with this one, which is 2n minus number 1 is raised to the number 2 as a power. Okay, so we'll have a lot of cancellation here. Minus number 1 and plus number will be cancelled out. So here, take number 2 out of these things and 2 out of this one to make number 4 as a common multiplier. So I get number 4 here. I will have 4 factor m minus n factor, this one will have m plus n minus number 1. Okay, equals 2 is multiplied by 9 factor 2n minus 1 quantity square. So I get number 2 cancelled out from here. I will be left with number 2 here. So the left hand side of this equation become even, but the right hand side of this equation is odd. It's impossible to have left hand. So we have contradicted our assumption, which means this one is not rational, which means is irrational. So I have done this problem. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and support that channel, and thank you for watching. I will see you next video. Bye.